So Google has just announced updates to its Gemini model family. So Gemini 2.0 Flash is now generally available, which means that if you go to gemini.google.com and go to the models here, you have 2.0 Flash, 2.0 Flash Thinking Experimental, 2.0 Flash Thinking Experimental with apps. All of these new models are available, but there's more. Let's go back here. Gemini 2.0 Pro Experimental is available in the AI Studio and Vertex AI. To access that, we'll have to go to aistudio.google.com. So if you look at this post here, 2.0 Pro Experimental, which excels at coding. Okay, so this is really good at coding. So let's actually check that in this video. So to access this model, we'll go to AI Studio, and in the AI Studio, we'll go to the model here. Click on this and you can see this one here, Gemini 2.0 Pro Experimental. Okay, let's click on that. And now we have access to this experimental model. So we'll try out few prompts to check its coding capabilities. This is the first time I'm using any Google model for coding. Let's see if it impresses. So I'm going to give this prompt. So basically we are going to create a task management app. It should have two main parts, a table for tasks and a list of priorities. For the table task, users should be able to add or delete rows, and each cell in the table should be editable so they can update task details like name, due date, or priority. Also, when you click on the column header, the table should sort the data. We'll also specify the color to be used in the app. On the side, there should be a priority list where users can drag and drop items and reorder it. So the visual cue should be given, and animations and stuff like that. So I've given a detailed prompt here. I'm just going to run it and see what it comes up with. So it seems like it's pretty fast. Okay, so the coding is completed now. So let's copy the code from here and then go to codeviewit.com and then paste the code. Yep, let's preview it. Okay. Let's go to full screen. So this is how it looks. I did mention I don't want this card-like design, but it has added it. Anyway, let's see. So we have task name, due date, priority, action, and on the right side, we have add priority. Okay, fine. Let's do one thing. Let's add a task. Okay, that is working. Can I delete a task? Yes, I can do that. So can I edit it? Okay. Task 1. Okay, let's change the date. It has to be manually changed. High or medium or low. Okay, even that has to be manually changed. So there is decent visual cue for rearranging this priority. So for the most part, it has done the job. This side is done well. On the right side, I did ask for the ability to reorder this priority list, and I can move this. And it gives visual cue on where it will go, but it cannot rearrange these things. So that's a miss. So I'm quickly going to give a follow-up prompt and see if it does it. Make sure that the priority list can be reordered. As of now, it maintains its position even after moving. I'm just going to run it. I think it's completed the code. Let's actually check. Okay, and preview. So let's go full screen and check this part. I'll add a priority first, that works. If I try to rearrange it and move it to the second, no, it doesn't do it. So it has not taken the follow-up prompt properly. Okay, so that's disappointing. I'm going to leave this as it is here. I'm going to start a new chat and I will give another prompt. Let's check with this one. This is the prompt. Use HTML, build a card flip animation that shows different content on each side. Use zodiac signs icons on the card and daily horoscope appearing when flipped. The flip should trigger on click and work smoothly on all browsers. Add a plus on the side that add more cards with the zodiac signs. The cards can also be removed. The addition and removal of the cards should have beautifully dynamic animations. Make the overall design funky, over the top, and with vibrant background. So I'm just going to run it. Hopefully this one does well. So it's coding now, and let's see if this one works in the first go. If it doesn't, we'll do one thing. We'll try the follow-up prompt for this one as well, and let's hope that it works. So let's go down. It's completed. Let's copy the code from here. Go to codeviewit.com. Control A to select, delete, and Control V to paste, preview it. Interesting. So now we have the Aries sign. Let's click on it. Okay, it gives, that's nice. Let's do that. Okay, let's add it. What will happen if I keep adding? Oh, it will go to the next step. And these are all different as well. Let's click on it and goes back. Okay, is there an option to delete it? Click on it and that's gone. And this is what we get from the first prompt itself. So that's actually great. This has worked out very well. So let's actually go back to the first one and see if we can actually make it work properly. So let's give it one more chance and actually give this follower prompt. When I try to reorder the priority list, it's not working. As of now, it shows visual cues to where I want to move it to, but it does not move there. It should. Okay, let's see. That's good. It's completed. Let's also look at this. I think there's an option to edit it. So I can edit the code. And when I try to edit it, it doesn't have the syntax highlighting. That is kind of weird. Okay, I would really like to have the syntax highlighting when I'm editing something. But anyways, stop editing. And yeah, we get the syntax highlighting the moment I go out of the edit mode. That's pretty weird. Anyways, let's copy the code. Go to code view it. I am going to delete this one. Control V to paste the code and preview it. I'm really worried about this part. So let's drag it. Nope. It's not doing it. Okay, so I've given the same follow-up prompt twice now and we've not got the result that we were looking for. So it failed. But for the card flip animation test, that worked out very well in the first go itself. We didn't have to give any follow-up prompt. And so we don't know if it is the follow-up prompt issue. But so far it is impressive and the follow-up is an issue. We'll figure that out. And anyway, it is in the experimental mode. So it will get better, I'm sure. But as of now, this is what it is. That's the first impression of the Gemini 2.0 Pro experimental model. And I'm sure it will get better. And I'm also sure this edit should not be like this. It needs to have the syntax highlighting as well. So I'm just going to stop it. Now the syntax highlighting is available. So that's another thing that's slightly weird. So this is my first impression of Gemini 2.0 Pro experimental model. And that's it for this video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it with your friends, and I'll see you in the next one.